Hey everyone, welcome back. If you want to deposit a check using the BMO Mobile Banking app, here's how to do it. First, open the app and log into your account. Then, select the option for mobile check deposit. Choose the account where you want to deposit your money. Then, what you're gonna do is take a clear photo of the front and the back of the check as instructed. Make sure that you're placing the check on a dark surface with good lighting and your camera lenses is not blurred. If it is blur, make sure to swipe your camera lenses or clean them with a soft tissue or a piece of cloth without scratching them to make the matters worse. Also, next what you're gonna do is enter the check amount and confirm the details. Submit the deposit and wait for the confirmation. Your check will be processed and the funds will appear once approved, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick